Hey everybody. All right. Today I'm kicking off the new code that I'm going to build. Going to use that Polygon IO for the API and do all of this probably using Node.js. We'll play with it, but that's where I'm going to go. And I'm going to just do this in like 15-minute increments and see how much I can build in that short of time. So today I am getting ready to get ready. Got to build a repo, check in the basic setup for the Next.js app, and then go from there. But today I'm just getting set up and having a website running. Might do a little bit of design work, but I think I'm just going to set it up. All right, so let's get into it. And here we go. So in GitHub, I'm going to create a new repository. I'm not using a template. I am just going to create it. So what do you want to call it? Fin City. I don't know. Sounds good. All right. A stock slash I won't even call it a stock. A financial app. A financial app I'm building in public. All right. Gonna add a README file. Always want a README file. Get ignore. I do want to get ignore. And let's see if they have one. Oh, I wonder if they have one for Next. No, we'll do it for Node. All right. Choose a license. So there's a lot of licenses. I generally go with the MIT one. There's the MIT license. Um, yeah, I'll go with GNU. Honestly, you know what? Where's not? Um, oh, I guess once you select one, you can't unselect it. That's kind of fun. All right, so GNU it is. You are creating a public repository in your personal account. Yes, yes, I am. Create repository. Here it is. Day one. Initial commit. Made by me. Yay. All right, so now I want to clone that locally. So come here. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go over here and GitHub. Now I'm going to, we'll do projects, mine. And we'll just do it right here. Select repositories, this. Uh, yes. And there we go. So I really wonder where this is at. So let's see. Oh, it did it. All right. So as you can see, I have absolutely nothing. I have a license and I have a README file. Great. So now let's create the next app. So npm, what does it create next app? And really, I want that here, but I wonder if I can do that. Yes. All right, so let's remove the README because it's going to create its own README for it. So I'm going to delete that. No. Yes. No. Yes. App router. Yes. Import alias. No. And ta-da. It's still building. But you can see it's building on the left. Success. And let's see what we got. Okay. npm run dev. Yep. So it should be a basic one that we've done before. npm run dev. And we have an app. Great. We have a website. All of that is now done. Now I want to check this in. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see over on Git, there's nothing here, right? None of those files are here. All I'm going to do is check that in and get that set up. So let's save this. Make sure all of that is there. Want the node modules to be ignored. That should be part of the git ignore. Let's make sure. Node modules, there it is. Ignored. Great. And the .next is ignored. So public, we have a couple SVGs. We have source. And that's it. So let's do it. Git add, git commit dash m, setup next.js, and git push. So now when I come over here and I refresh, all that is now on my GitHub. So great. I now have an app. It is right here. And we will do a little bit more tomorrow. Wow, that took all of what? 4 minutes? Probably not even. Yay. All right. So let's come back. And let's create a new page. We'll create a little about page. Now, from what we did the other day, we remember how to do that. Come here. Under here, we want to create a folder, and we will call it about. And then under here, I will create a new file, and that will be JS. And then I'm going to just, this is all I really need. So in here, export default function about, return main. This is the about page. That sounds great. Save that. Make sure I'm running it. npm run dev. And let's take a look. Compile favicon, and we have a page. So let's see if we have that about path automatic. No, we do not. Oh, because I called it about. It needs to be called page. There you go. Wow, it's real hot time. Refresh. So now we have an about page. I want to test something out. So I want to create a page at the root level. And I'm going to do a new file, and I'm going to call it JS. Yep. And we'll do export default function jman return. Great. Save that. Now let's see if I can do that. Now, Really interesting. Because there's already a page here. I need to put that in a subpage. So there you go. And then I can actually break down, I can include the modules here, and all of that would actually just be included. But I just wanted to see if this worked. It did not. But the about page should still work. Oh, yep, great. And go back to home. Make sure the landing page is still there. Great. So we have all this. We'll, tomorrow we'll do a little design of what we're going to build. Just some basic workflow. What do we want to do? And we will actually, yeah, we'll probably just have time for that. All right. So it was that easy to get that up and running, get that set up. I'm going to stop this right now. All right. That's it. Told you I'm going to do a little bit each day, and that's a little bit. Thanks for stopping by, and I will build some more tomorrow. And I think that's it. Have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. All right.